This video will show you, as the tenant or owner, how to check your air conditioning system to ensure you are receiving the best possible cooling. We will also touch upon the responsibilities of your cooling system, who to call and for what issue. Whether you are in a villa, townhouse, apartment or retail unit on the Pearl, there are maintenance tips for all property types. For the purpose of this video, we will use an apartment to show the different features associated with your cooling system. Qatar Cool produces chilled water in our cooling plant for air conditioning purposes only. Once the water is chilled, it is pumped through an underground pipe network to our customers. The water reaches a machine called an Energy Transfer Station, ETS, where the water chills your building's water. Qatar Cool's water is then returned to us for re-chilling, while the building's water is pumped to your property for your air conditioning. The amount of chilled water for your property is recorded in a meter, which accounts how much chilled water is needed for your AC, as well as how much water you use when you turn on the AC. Qatar Cool's responsibility stops at the ETS. All AC-related technologies within your property are maintained and owned by the property owner. The following tips will help you keep your AC system functioning effectively with the help from your building's maintenance company. The system, FCU, is designed to work best when the thermostat is set to 23 degrees, which is the optimal room temperature for comfort. Setting your thermostat below the design temperature will lead to the control valve remaining open, resulting in high consumption and cost with potential water damage due to condensation. Your building's maintenance should clean your air conditioning diffusers and filters. Also, remove your air filters and clean in the shower or with a hose to remove any dust and debris buildup. Air diffusers can become dusty with airborne particles. Remove dust and clean the air diffusers with a damp cloth. Should you notice a leak from your ceiling, contact your building's maintenance company to check your AC. You could be losing cooled air to the outside if the ducts are not sealed or insulated correctly. The maintenance company will check, adjust and repair any leaks or damages to the AC pipes if required. Backwash and draining of the FCU coil are required to prevent clogging. Also, your building's maintenance should clean the FCU strainers regularly to prevent clogging. The building's maintenance should inspect the 2- or 3-way port valves with respect to the thermostat operation to ensure correct functionality. Also, the bearings need to be checked and replaced if deteriorated. Checks for corrosion on the body of the equipment is a must and should be done regularly. If you will hear a loud noise coming from your AC, the building's maintenance should check for signs of vibration or overheating of the FCU. Also, regular checks on all electrical connections are needed to identify any loose wiring. Regular inspection of the drain lines is required to identify obstructions. Should you witness condensation on your ceiling, the building maintenance should open the access panel, drain and clean the lines. After all areas and functions of your AC system have been checked and maintained, your building's maintenance should carry out a functionality check before leaving your property. For AC-related matters within your property, please contact your building's maintenance management.